Oh, she's going to sit herself down. Morning everyone, Friday morning. We've had a lovely couple of nights here at the old rectory campsite. I think the little bit of height certainly helped with the heat that we've been experiencing in the UK. Not that we're moaning too much, we'd rather have it slightly too warm than slightly too cold. But yeah, really good stop. Great for visiting Tavistock. If you're into your walking and your cycling, you've got easy access to Dartmoor. They've got a Wellington and bike washing facilities here, so if you're going off road in any of that formats, it's great for you here.
And a washing machine.
And a washing machine, so you can...
Not that I'm obsessed with laundry.
She's always obsessed with laundry. If she doesn't see a washing machine within a week, she just has to try.
Got to be clean, mate.
21 days worth of clothes. That's a month's worth. Anyway, we're off. No surprises on this one. We're off to Tintagel to go and have a look at the castle, and then we've got a stop up at Boscastle, which sounds like the end of some kind of computer game, but we'll see if we can defeat the Boscastle. Right, catch you later. Just arrived at Tintagel, and we're in the Motorhome and Overflow car park, and I think it was, hang on,
We're only going to be in a town,
hey,
I think.
this is how much was it to park?
£4 for all day and then £5 overnight. There's no facilities, but you can use the portaloo there just only for emptying your toilet.
Okay, so there you go. For about £9 you can come and stop all day and all night. Well, apologies for being backlit, but we're just walking down to Tintagel Castle. Oh. And a magical Celtic piper has just started off. They're definitely pushing this mythology a long way. Everything's to do with King Arthur and everything along here. But you know, when did ever the truth get in the way of a good story?
Just go to here if you want to.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'll turn you around. So, how was your trip to Tintagel?
It's very lovely. It's not the first time I've been here. Gorgeous. We were hoping to go down to the beach, but it didn't really look very enticing, so we just walked back up the hill again. It was lovely.
And Maureen, our
Right,
guest
well,
traveller.
pretty fantastic really. I mean, I've been to Cornwall twice in my life and each time it's rained, so this is a real bonus. We went down as far as the beach, but I couldn't walk up the hill. I had to get the bus up.
You actually got was a Land Rover
£2.50.
off-road experience
Yeah.
for £2.50.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So I'm well chuffed.
Ta-ta! Morning everyone. It's Saturday morning. We're at a little temporary campsite at Boscastle. It's only available on Pitch Up. I think it was £16 a night for the three of us and the dog. But I think that includes any setup and any amount of people, to be honest. It's in a quiet little village that we're just about to go and have a look at. It's got sea views right along the coast to Bude. You've got views across the sea to the Isle of Lundy. It is quite sloped, I'm not going to deny. There is a toilet here, but once again, I'm not going to lie, it is a plastic shed. It's clean, but it's very, very hot. There is a small washing up area, which is a sink out in the open. And when I turn you around to have a look at the view, the grass field is okay. There is a hard standing pitch next door, but not one of the 4 motorhomes that turned up last night or camper vans used it. And when I show you, you'll understand. I'm not going to say anything bad about the site. I'll let you make your decision for it and if you'd be happy parking there, because in the end it's down to you. So you can see, yeah, the pitch is very slightly sloped. You do have good views. Just over the apex of that roof over there is the Isle of Lundy, and those white objects that I'll zoom in a moment up on the headland, that is the GCHQ listening station at Bude. They intercept satellite transmissions and the transatlantic cables. Every message sent, every internet search that comes through that point. And I reckon 25% of Britain's internet searches travels through there, and they watch and examine and check everything. But yeah, there's us. We've got top pitch. We have had to level on one side and we are still not quite level. That's how much it is, but it ain't bothered us. We're gonna have a nice walk. So that's your entrance. The gate there next to the shed is your entrance to the grass field, and this flat area, and it is indeed flat, is your hard standing. I think you'd be struggling to put any kind of pegs or awning down. You wouldn't get a windbreak out. It is pretty lumpy underfoot. If it was a free air in France, yeah, it'd be rampacked. If it was free, it'd be rampacked. But would I pay 18 quid or 16 quid to park there without the grass pitch? I don't know. That's your washing up point. It's basic, but it works. I ain't got a problem with that. And that's your toilet with, it is clean. The man comes down and checks it every day, makes sure everything's okay, and then again in the evening. But yeah, it's hot and it's just a plastic shed box. So you make your choice on that one. Would we come back here again? No, we wouldn't. was a really lovely trip to Boscastle. Oh, trust me, I'm on the quietest road in the world, and that's when cars are fast. Right, I'm back in the view. Yeah, really quaint, old little fishing village. It was sad to read of its destruction in 2004 in the August floods, where 150 local residents had to clamber to rooftops and trees and get rescued by the Royal Navy, the Air Force and the Air Ambulance. But yeah, they've rebuilt it over the time and it's very, very pretty. Not somewhere I'd ever heard of. And in the Cornish way, you always emphasise the second syllable of a place's name. So it's Boscastle, or so they say. But I just put the drone up to have a look at the church and the coastal viewing point, where they, I don't know if it's automated now or if a man still sits there for a period of the time, just taking a look. The ladies have pressed on. I'm just making my way back in the heat. It is hot. I'm going to say it's in the high 20s again today. So yeah, let's get back to Brian and have a cold beer. I hope you enjoy Boscastle.